What are the convenient and efficient options for replacing missing teeth, and what is the associated costs?
I think you should take the next
I
question. There we
probably
go.
should.
Yeah,
So
right.
the uh, the efficient options for replacing missing teeth, Dr. Vanderbilt actually kind of explained it a little bit ago. It is one, always, if it's a single tooth, an implant, single tooth implant, even multiple teeth you can replace with implants, or bridges. Those are the most simple ways to replace teeth. Um, there are other options for removable options, but most people don't like that. So we are in the business of trying to help people get what they want when they want to fix their mouths. So as far as cost, again, without seeing you, it's hard to say exactly what the cost is going to be, but we can always give you that estimate when you come in and go over it with you and try to fit it into a budget for you. So don't let cost be the deterrent to keep you away from the office. Come in and at least see what your options are.
One of the most common things when patients ask me about like, hey, what type of treatment do I need? Whether what type of teeth replacement options? Hey, here we go. I got a smartphone. Do I really need a smartphone to make phone calls? I don't need
No.
a phone. I can just do it with a flip phone, right? So if you are a smartphone user, right? Let me take your smartphone away and give you the flip phone. How would that make you feel, right? So yes, can you make a phone call with this with a flip phone? Of course you can, but we don't do that. So the same way, can you replace a tooth with a flipper? Yeah, of
Mm-hmm.
course you can do that. Can you replace the teeth with the bridge? Of course you can do that. But those are not the modern age treatment. So we
Absolutely.
live in a smartphone world. So you want your teeth to be smart also. So you want to replace them in a smarter way. So if you happen to have a bridge, like I said earlier, so if you have two teeth on either side, you have to grind the two teeth on either side. That's not a smarter way of replacing them. The smarter way to replace them is leave the two teeth alone and put the middle tooth with an implant and replace it with the dental implant. So get smarter. We say go Nike, just do it. Dental implant is the way to go.
Yes, it is. Okay.